Hi, my name is Rachit. I'm a physical therapist intern and I'm here to talk about one of the most common concerns, lower back pain. Lower back pain isn't always just about disc issue or nerve impingement. While those can be contributing factors, muscle imbalances often play a significant role. Poor posture and ergonomics, weak core muscles, or tight hip flexors can create imbalances that lead to pain and discomfort. Similarly, for neck pain, prolonged screen time, forward head posture, or muscle tightness can contribute to your stiffness and tension. Whether it's muscular, postural, or biomechanical, through a personalized approach and evidence-based care, we assess the root cause of your pain. By addressing these imbalances with targeted exercise, hand-on therapy, and movement strategies, we can help you regain mobility, reduce pain, and improve function. You don't have to live with discomfort. With the right care and evidence-based treatment plan tailored to your goals, you can move better and live pain-free. Book an appointment today and take the first step toward the feeling your best.